How to fix Cinema HD app not working 2023. Hi guys, in this video I'll teach you how to fix Cinema HD app not working 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So to do that, what you need to do is to head over to your Play Store and App Store and then search in here for Cinema HD. So once you're in here, make sure that Cinema HD is up to date on your account. So in here, make sure that if there's an update button, then just click that. Then the next thing you need to do is click on open right here and see if it is working again. But if it's not working again, what you need to do is to just long press on Cinema HD, click on this app info, and then from in here, just click on storage usage, click on clear cache, and click on clear data right here. Now once you have done that, you can now check again if your Cinema HD is working. So on iPhone, it's usually in iPhone storage and you can upload the app, but here's the option for Android. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Cinema HD app not working 2023. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.